How's it going, guys? This is Kevin with Pacifica Tiny Homes. I haven't been here for a while, but today we're going to show you an exclusive look of our model right here, our Sequoia model that's been very popular lately. A lot of customers have been buying these homes because of the amount of space that it has, how big it is, and how small of a price tag this beautiful Sequoia model we have right here. It's a 36 by 11. The customer decided to go with a burgundy color. We're gonna go inside and check out the beauty of this home, but just before we do that, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification button, and also if you like this model, I want you guys to be able to also visit our website to be able to get a free estimate. And it's gonna be on the house for us. We'll be able to give you a call and give you instructions of what we can do and what we can offer to build your dream tiny home. Inside this beautiful tiny home, the Sequoia model, I do want to mention that it's well balanced. We build our trailers ourselves here and we make sure it's robust. It's a 4-axle trailer and we build it here in Pacifica Tiny. Go ahead and take a look at this beautiful Sequoia model. Wow, guys, look at the amount of space here in the Sequoia model. And that's the beauty of it. You know, this customer loved this model as soon as they first seen it on our channel and also on our social media and our website. And they said, hey, I want this home. And you can tell right away that they added their own characteristics in here. You can also see that they actually put a sun nap for their appliances. You can do multiple things. You can do a sun nap. You can characterize it however you want. A lot of those options are already part of the price tag of the Sequoia model. Just like over here, we got an L-shaped countertop, and this is a butcher block countertop with a honeydew glaze on top. So it's something that we actually implement into the tiny home. So therefore you have a nice kitchen set area. You also have self-closing cabinet spaces. And just to let you know, everything here, all the appliances, majority of them are already included. But if you want to add a dishwasher, if you want to add a stove, then that would be obviously additional. But it does come with a standard electric induction cooktop and a refrigerator, your choice of color, stainless steel, white, or black. Or if you like one that's specific, then we can install it for you. You can just have it delivered to our shop and we can do that for you. And that's the beauty here in Pacifica Tiny Homes, that even with the cabinets and also the handles, they're also customizable. And everything that you see here is not something that is just standard. The client gets to choose what they would prefer in their home. And that's the beauty about having here, buying a tiny home from Pacifica Tiny Homes, is you can customize it however you like, but also you can maintain the standard options as well. This customer actually decided to go with a Honeywell dishwasher, very easy for them to use. They did their own research and we retrofitted it here under the countertop between the cabinet spaces, which is something very easy for them and accessible for them to use. Look at the amount of space in the dishwasher. The farm style sink, they like that industrial steel, and it's something that complements the countertop and this tiny home overall. Now that we went through the kitchen, I want to show you guys the bathroom. And this bathroom is actually also customizable. You can see that they added some washer dryer appliances for their hoses. They have it here connected. This actually can be connected to the back. I'll show you guys later how they connect it. It's pretty simple. It's simplified. Anybody can do it, and that's how easy we do it here at Pacifica Tiny Homes. Same thing with the toilet. It's a flushable toilet, standard as well. And this actually does come standard with your home. If you want to do anything that is off the grid, you can also do an upgrade. But this is the standard that Pacifica Tiny Homes offers, and it's very easy. It's a glacier bay. But when it comes to customizing your bathroom as well, you can see on this section right here, this nice glass tub style sink. It's pretty nice, honestly. I know the standard one is not going to be as luxurious as this, but if you like something that, like I mentioned earlier, we can install it for you, or you can just pick it out and We could just install that for you and have it all nice and set once we deliver it to your home. But look at the amount of space that it has here. This little section right here, you can add your things for your bathroom, toilet paper, shampoos, etc. And you have an actual mirror right here too. And just the little things that I did mention, like to mention, is that you see this thing you see over here? You can put some of your towels, face wash towels. You can also hang some of your towels this here as well, and maybe like a bar of soap or some type of what is it called? Your extra towels or some sponges that you can use. Let's just step in here and just actually full. It's beautiful. I mean, it leaves me in awe of how gorgeous this marble. Man, it's what color would this be? Like a tannish color. But overall, I mean, taking a shower here would probably feel like marvelous, honestly. And I would definitely enjoy taking a shower here. I mean, I would want you guys to definitely enjoy your shower in your tiny home. But just to let you guys know, this right here is something that you can definitely do it in your tiny home. So don't ever think small. You can always do upgrades for your bathroom. And look at this glass sliding door. Look at that. Nice shut and sealed. Doesn't even make that much noise. You can't even hear it. Look at it. Barely even hear it. It's the little things that matters when it comes to building your tiny home, and that's what we're gonna do for you, especially for your bathroom. I want you guys to take a moment to envision and imagine with me when it comes to actually putting your living room space. Okay. Let me start off with the windows first. Of all the lighting that you're going to be having, the best thing to do in this section right here, because you have your windows here. You can actually put in your windows anywhere, but I would recommend actually doing a 3D model rendering because that's what we already do for you. Therefore, you can kind of see how you can add your tables. But what I would do now, I would put a small table right here, a good little, either like a pretty high waist elevated table on this section right here with some bar stools to be able to just eat or whatever. And then on this side, you can have an L-shaped couch. You can have a small little dining table right in the middle right here. Just envision it with me. And you would have your TV mounted on your wall right here, which we believe we also do a 32-inch television mounted on your wall. But if you have your own personal TV, that's a 55, or I would recommend like possibly a 46 or a 42-inch will probably fit really well here. It just depends though. That's why I always recommend 3D model renderings is before we even do the production of your home. That's already included in the price, and we'll configure it all for you. Hey guys, welcome in. Honestly, you can fit a king size bed frame alongside with your mattress here. It's a lot of space, honestly. This looks like a lot of space right here to be able to have a nice full set bed right here. But if you want to have more space, I recommend a queen size bed frame here on this side right here. And bed frames will probably be like towards right here, honestly. But the queen size will probably be on this section, so you'll still have walking space. You can put some, what is it called? You can put floating shelves on the wall. There's a lot of lighting here as well. So you got your two double pane windows also here included. You want to add more windows, you can add more windows. It is an upgrade. You can do some skylights. Oh, but look at that. The sun lamp is there too. It's following us. Not really. The customer can decide what they want in their room as well. You can do a chandelier, fan, or sun lamp. Or maybe a moon lamp. Who knows? Is there a moon lamp? Maybe. You can look for one. That's what we can make it happen here. I've seen so many crazy things that we have built that it's mind-blowing. And that's what we try to aim for, is mind-blowing creativity when we build Pacifica tiny homes. So yeah, so this is pretty much the standard room. It is the master bedroom, in other words. But if you do want to upgrade and you say, hey, you know what, I got the master bedroom, but I do have some kids, or I want to have some guests over, you can upgrade to the 2.0. And I'll give you guys the prices later on down the link below. Actually, in our description will let you know the prices of the upgrade 2.0, and I would also link it right here where you guys can see it, a video of it as well. Okay, guys. But yeah, this is the master bedroom. It's pretty nice, very nice and spacious, and yeah, it also does come with an in-swing door. Therefore, you can go in and out. Thank you, guys. That concludes our video. I appreciate you guys staying here this long to be able to see the Sequoia model. And if you guys really like this model and on all our tiny homes, you can also book a free tour with us here in our website. I actually will link the description below as well for you can see. And if you do want to see more tiny homes and more tours, if you can't make it, let's say you live across the states or so, you can also visit our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook, and our TikTok. We also do TikTok lives. We can also do a tour around the property here in Corcoran, California. And you can also be able to get more details of our home. So you can also access this in real life, but a click of a button. All right, guys. So thank you guys for staying tuned in. I appreciate you guys' time. I'll definitely show you guys more videos ongoing on our homes as well. Okay, guys. Toodaloos.